Welcome to Session 4, Life Group Culture. There are 3 purposes for life groups: to care for each other, to grow together, and to serve together. Let's take just a minute to look at these 3 purposes for our life groups. One of the purposes of our life group is to care for each other. It is so important that within a life group, you spend time and energy caring for each other. Because here at Peace Church, this is the primary way that people receive care. So what does this look like, you might ask, practically? Say one of your life group members is sick or in the hospital. You could bring them meals or visit them so that they feel that they are loved and supported. Another way you can help is maybe if one of your life group members is moving, you can help them move. The most important thing is that the ways that you help one another are healthy. For example, maybe an unhealthy way would be to give life group members money whenever they ask for it. The important thing is that when we come together in our life group, we feel safe and loved. Another purpose of our life groups is to grow together. This happens one of 2 ways: studying together and through conversation. We study together through book studies or Bible studies. A few times a year, we might have studies that align with our sermon series that you can talk about in your life group after Sunday morning. We also have spiritual conversation. How does what you're learning bring you closer to Christ? How does it change your behavior? How does it connect to you? It's these type of questions that can bring you together when you discuss them together and help you grow in Christ. Because one of the goals of our life groups is that we become more Christ-like through growing together. Finally, our 3rd purpose of life groups is to serve together. You can serve together in a variety of ways. One way is you can be on a team together on one of our all-church serving projects, like the house build that we did. Or you can come together and gather food for the food pantry and partner with one of our organizations here in Pickerington. Whatever you choose to do, we suggest that as a life group, you do a project at least once a season. Thank you so much for being a life group leader who leads an environment that people can grow, serve, and care for one another.